Hi there, do you own a Lamborghini Huracan and have you had a problem with the rear grille being stained or mottled? My name's Kevin. I'm a used car dealer from Bagshot in Surrey. The company is called Stream Cars and we specialise in sports and prestige cars. This year I've had several Lamborghinis in stock and they seem to suffer from a problem where the rear grille gets mottled and stained from either the heat of the exhaust or the detergents that are used in car washes. Now I went to Lamborghini and I asked them the cost of a new grille and they quoted me £6,000. A Lamborghini specialist quoted me a lot less, but still somewhere in the region of £1,800 to repair the grille. And I thought there must be another way. I looked on YouTube and I couldn't see a video for it. There is some chatter on the forums, mainly in America, about a similar problem where people are suggesting that you just rattle can spray it or use a product that's only available in their market that I've not heard of. So I came up with a solution to remove the grille and to have it sandblasted and powder coated. I should have made the video before when I was removing it, but it didn't occur to me at the time. But this video now just shows you how easy it is to refit the grille, and it's basically the opposite of that to remove it. And you can have a super looking brand new grille for literally £500 or £600. This might even become a little business for me if anyone wants me to do it on their behalf. So you'll find my details in the biography below, and I'll show you now how to refit the grille. There are literally 5 screws. The middle one is slightly longer than the others, and what you'll need is a Torx head, screwdriver, and 2 minutes of your time. Okay, so the grille just literally slots back in here. You don't have to remove the rear bumper or the lights. Lamborghini have made this incredibly easy. There's a little bit of trim there that it needs to sit over on both sides. That looks like it's home. And then we take our longer screw, the one that's the middle one, doing that tentatively. That's nice and tight now. And the same process for the other 4, 2 on this side, one in the bottom right hand corner, tight, one in the upper section between the 2 bolts, that's that, and the final 2 on the left hand side. It really is that simple. You'll save yourself a packet and you have a lovely new looking grille. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. You'll be able to see new cars that come to the channel when I have them on sale. There's no cost for subscription and it really helps with my algorithm and following, and I really appreciate it. Voila. So there you go. I hope that helps.